If you need to reset your password for your Pentagon Federal Credit Union account, follow these straightforward steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the website. Go to the official Pentagon Federal Credit Union website using your web browser. Step 2. Locate the login section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Click on Forgot Password. In the login area, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 4. Enter your information. Provide the required information such as your username or member number and any other requested details to verify your identity. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Check your email or phone for a verification link or code. Follow the instructions provided to create a new password. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log into your account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.